Yeah. So you need 4 of these 10 stud parts right here. So they have 10 studs in each one. So, I need 4 of them. We need 2 of these. And then we're going to need 2 of these. 2 by, yeah, just 2 of them. You need 4 of these. You guys can see right there. Yeah. And you need 2 of those. Sorry about the quality of this video, guys. I'm using my old tablet, and yeah, it's pretty old. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading lately. My tablet, we lost it, and then we found it. I guess my parents found it. So, then we need about, correct. This is about 15, if I'm correct. Okay, so we're going to be starting with this right here. Right there. And we're going to be starting with these 2. So we're going to insert these into there. See that? You can see. And we're going to need, put them in 2 like that. Get this blue part, if I did not add in. Put that inside the middle. Then you put that right on the blue. Like that. Then you put on the other 2. Like that. So then they're both then you put the second one on. And I'm not done yet. I'm not done. So you can see that it's coming out crudely, weird looking butterfly knife. So then we're going to be using these 2 right here. And we're going to be putting them right on the beginning of the blade. You guys can see right there. So then it doesn't, the blade won't, or the trailing edge won't move around so much. And then these are going to be the outside that actually weight it a little bit, but not a lot. And make the handle a little bigger and not so skinny. You need to put them like this, or whatever way. That. Then you're going to put them like this. See that? Then you're going to put those gray pieces, those light grays, right here on each end like this. Then you're going to do it on the same other side of the, yeah. So then, and yeah, so this is pretty much how you make one. It's really simple. It's for my own designs. I can show you other ones. I'll be doing it in another video, but I'm not sure if I will be. I might make another channel for this stuff. I might call it, like, I don't know. We'll be doing it in the next video. I'll just have to think of it. And please like and subscribe. And bye, guys. I hope you guys have fun making this. And I hope you guys have fun enjoying this very simple to make butterfly knife, guys. And yeah. Thank you.